Now I will explain. I will solve this question. Get the total sales between the dates using sumifs function. So first I will write sum range. So I will select the whole range in then criteria range 1. So I have to count the date, calculate the date. So it's criteria range 1, then criteria 1 greater than or equals to this date. So and fourth. So it counts for date and greater date. Then again criteria range 2, then criteria 2 means less than because it's ended. So less than or equal to 18. Yeah, so it's 62,200. Now if I want to know, then I can simply drag, like select this till 18 date. So it's here sum 62 66,200. So it's here.